Ohio. Issued at 2:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Muskingum River at Beverly. The hazardous weather can be expected from this afternoon to tomorrow evening. Impacts at 29.0 feet. Low areas and farmland, camps, and a few homes are flooded. Additional details at 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sunday the stage was 29.3 feet. Bankville stage is 26.0 feet. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday was 29.3 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest of 31.0 feet this evening. Stage early tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 29.0 feet. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 31.2 feet on March 21, 2020. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Repeating, the river flood warning has been extended until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following county: Washington, Ohio,